Alright, today is the day for the car pack. There's a few things I've got to do before we can go tomorrow morning. And I've got to get the car, I've got to go get an EPIRB, I've got to get some stuff from the shops, and I've got to fill my jerry can up. So I thought I'd take you along because I've got to make sure I don't forget anything. Rental EPIRB acquired. Right, so I don't even know where to start, and I feel like what I should do is get everything that is going to go in the car or in the basket, put it in the garage, lay it all out so I can see it, make sure I'm not missing anything, and then go from there. So I feel like these are all the main things going into the car. Not included right now is I have a tyre repair kit. I have 2 recovery tracks. I have a tyre bin, an awning. They're already on the car or in the car. I have some spare oil filters, and I think that's it. So I've got to somehow get all this in the car neatly or on the basket, and then get my bag with my clothes, my towel, toothbrush, stuff like that, and my camera. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything that has to go in the car. Oh, and my kitchen box. So this is the cooking box as well. There's a pan, a small pot with a lid, some tea towels, some sponges, tomato sauce cutlery, utensils, stubby coolers, some cups. I put some garbage bags in. There's also some scissors and some tea. Alex already had this packed and ready. I bet you he had time the other day and he must have done it. So I'm just going to put a few things in. Oh yeah, there's this hand toaster thing. I might just put in like the lighter and some more hot sauce. And we also need oil. So, I mean, there's this, but I want some real oil. So we'll get that, and then that box is done. That's what I forgot to get. Bread. Anyway, so maybe I'll move the car. Don't actually know what I was doing just then, but we got somewhere. Snatch kit, jumper cables, tiny air compressor, fluids, don't really know where everything's going yet either. I'm just winging it till we figure it out. Toolbox. Stove that Alex's mum found on the sidewalk in Melbourne. Thank you. Now we're in the kitchen, and upon coming home from the shops, I feel like there are still things now that I need to get. I need batteries for more than one thing, and I kind of want to get WD-40 just in case. I can use it for anything. And I don't know, there's probably more. I already said bread, so I just gotta get all this stuff out. Make sure there's enough emergency meals and enough snacks and stuff. I guess it's time to do food. This is the selection of food, not including ham, cheese, butter, and a loaf of bread that I still need to get. That's already in the fridge. And I have an assortment of food for any occasion. We've got some pasta, mayo, bickies, toiletry things as well, toilet paper, baby wipes, Hydrolyte, painkillers, tomato sauce for any bakeries we pop into, some canned goods, some sugary things, corn chips, rice, tea, coffee, curry, pancakes, bickies, more bickies, and some emergency food. And that is just like your freeze-dried camping, backcountry cuisine. Just put some hot water in there. And I also got a jet boil fuel canister for my little Soto camping stove, mini camping stove, baby stove thing. So that'll probably be all the food. Any cold things like the ham and cheese will go in the Yeti, and whatever else can fit in there. Got heaps of water as well. And that's pretty much it for the food. So I also thought I'd make this little Tupperware container full of essentials to go up the front on this little tray thing I have. Oh my gosh, it fits perfectly. And Snickers in there. There's some other random stuff like essential fishing equipment for the snowy mountains. There's a mask, window scraper, just junk, but you never know when you need something up there. Water. I've got first aid kit, a lamp or a light that also charges my phone, camera bag. This is just like GoPro film stuff, and just another camera. These are all probably going to go somewhere within reach of the front seats. Alex just got home from work, so he's helping me do the last things. Put the swag on, killed a spider already.